Hello friends, this is Mujahid from White Moon Tube. Today we will going to show you how to take video with spy mode. So someone asked me, can I spy on iPhone 6 or 6 Plus? So this is a question, so I told them yes, you can do that from this video. So please watch carefully. Now I'm going to open my iPhone. This is my mobile here. I'm going to setting. I'm going to show you my update version, iOS 11.4, right? Okay, now I'm going to go to home and lock the screen. Now I'm going to, I will show you. You can see here. Okay, I'm just open half camera. Okay, I just click again, just click home button. So you see the lock button here. So when you see like this, put again lock your mobile and you can record. Now you can put volume up key and start the recording. I'm just checking my butterfly here. So now I'm stop that one. Okay, now I'm going to open. Okay, so this is the video. So this is the way. Okay, so if you like my video, please going to subscribe my channel. My small request, please use this method for your personal progress only. Thanks for watching.